Hello, I'm Jeff, and I'm here to show you how easy it is to put together one of your new menu mag racks. First time will take you a little bit longer, but after you get used to it, it'll just take you a few minutes. Included in your kit with the menu mag rack will be one back, two sides, two shelves, and plexiglass. Included in your menu mag kit will be pre-glued dowels, screws and spacers for the plexiglass, and plastic feet. Tools you will need to assemble your menu mag rack will be a rubber mallet, a small tube of silicone caulk, some water, and a power drill with a square head bit. The first step in the process will be inserting the dowels into the shelves. You want to make sure you take the dowel, dip it in water, place in the hole. We'll do that all along here. Use your mallet, give them a good tap, and continue on the other side. You want to make sure that the dowels are wet, because when they expand, that's how they glue in. Some going a little harder than others, but that's what the rubber mallet's for. And you're done. Next step is inserting the shelves onto the side panels. You want to make sure that the finished side is with the finished side on the shelf. The dowel is already damp. Do that with both shelves. Then you take your second shelf, line up your holes, and you're done. The next step will be attaching the back piece. You'll take your rack, flip it on its face, insert your wood dowels just as you did in the shelves, once again with the mallet. And you take the back panel. Once again, line up your holes. wipe off any excess.
Let's cut there a minute.
Okay.
Whenever you're ready.
Once you get the back panel on, lay it back on its back. On occasion, these will separate, so you just give them a slap, or this is where a wood clamp may come in handy. Here's where we will install your acrylic magazine frame. You'll need the silicone and your power drill for these. First, you peel off the paper, both sides. Place the acrylic screw side up. Just a small dab of silicone on the end of every screw, which helps hold the spacer in place. On go the spacers. Here is where you want to have your drill set on a very low setting, because it is very easy to crack the plexiglass. I recommend staggering the screws and not threading them in all the way the first time. Here's where we're going to install the feet onto the bottom of the menu mag rack. Make sure you install the feet on these side panels, not on the back. Just push it in a little bit. Rubber mallet. This is what the finish rack looks like, and here is one with your materials. If you have any questions or need follow-up support, replacement parts and additional rack orders can be done through your online franchise portal at mymenumag.com. Once again, I'm Jeff. Thank you for joining the Menu Mag family. Let us know how we can help you at any time.